Welcome, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Okay, my beautiful students, today we will take together Unit 5, Lesson 3 in our book, We Can. Okay, first of all, the day and the date of today. The day is Sunday, Sunday, and the date is 8/5/14/45 after Hijrah. We will take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today. And we will start with if I ask you girls, the past of drive is drives, drove, or driving. Of course, the right answer is drove. So, what is the past of drive? The past of drive is drove. What time is it? What time is it? It is 2:10, it is 2:15, it is 2:30. Of course, the right answer is it is 2:10, okay? How many hands are there in the clock? There are four hands, there are three hands, or there are two hands. Of course, there are two hands. Okay, there are two hands, minute hand and hour hand. Okay, if I ask you girls, if you want to ask about time, what can you say? You can say, what time is it? Or what is the time? Again, you can say, what time is it? Or what is the time, okay? As I told you guys at the beginning of my video that today we will take Unit 5, Lesson 3, page 38 and 39. The title of our unit is about yesterday and today. We will start with this song. Listen, please, my beautiful students. Listen, please. Listen, girls. Wait a minute. Sorry, girls. Wait a minute. I will start reading first. After that, I will turn on the audio. So listen, please. What time do you do it? What time do you do it? At 6 o'clock, I jump out of bed and brush my teeth. At 1 o'clock, I finish school and ride the bus home. At 2 o'clock, I eat my lunch and meet my friends. At 10 o'clock, I jump into bed and dream a lot. Listen, please, girls. Listen.
Rhythms and reading. Exercise 1. Listen, chant, and do. What time do you do it?
At 6 o'clock, I jump out of bed and brush my teeth. At 1 o'clock, I finish school and ride the bus home. At 2 o'clock, I eat my lunch and meet my friends. At 10 o'clock, I jump into bed and dream a lot.
Okay, girls. What time do you do it? At 6 o'clock, I jump out of bed and brush my teeth. At 1 o'clock, I finish school and ride the bus home. At 2 o'clock, I eat my lunch and meet my friends. At 10 o'clock, I jump into bed and dream a lot. Okay, girls, here we have a clock. If the minute hand is on number 12, you will say o'clock, right? If it's on number 1, you will say 5. If it's on number 2, you will say 10. 3, 15. 4, 20. 5, 25. 6, 30. 7, 35. 8, 40. 9, 45. 10, 50. 11, 55. Okay, girls? Now, if I ask you, what time is it here? You will say, it is 2:15. So it is 2:15. It is 2:15. The hour hand is on number 2, so you will say 2. The minute hand is on number 3, so you will say 15. Okay, it is 2:15. What about here, girls? It is 2:10. It is 2:10. The minute hand is on number 2 and the hour hand is on number 2. So it is 2:10. 5:10. Number 3, what time is it? It is 8:20. It is 8:20. It is 8:25, 10, 15, 20. So it is 8:20. Another way to say the time. So focus with me, please, my beautiful students. I will tell you now another way to say the time. So please focus with me. If the minute hand is on number 12, you will say o'clock, the same. Okay, what about number 1? Number 1, you will say 5 past. 5 past. 2, 10, and add past. 3, quarter past. 4, 20 past. 5, 25 past. 6, half past. 7, so focus with me. From number 1 till number 6, you will say past. On number 3, you will say quarter past. On number 6, you will say half past. Then we will complete. From number 7 till number 11, we will say 2 instead of adding past. 25 to, 22, quarter to, 10 to, 5 to. Okay, here we say 10 past and here we say 10 to. Here 5 past and here 5 to. Okay? On number 6, we will say half past. On number 3, we will say quarter past. On number 9, we will say quarter to. Okay? Now, what time is it here? We will say the time in another way. Okay? We will say it is quarter past 2. It is quarter past 2. And here, it is 10 past 2. It is 10 past 2. And here, it is 20 past 8. It is 20 past 8, okay? Now, reading competition. Focus with me, please, my beautiful students. I will start reading the short story that we have here. And in my virtual class, I will ask you to read. And after that, I will see who are the best readers, okay? Number 1. The title is about the dentist. My name is Jenny. I am a dentist. I check your teeth. Some patients come to my clinic with very bad toothaches. I help them with their problems. They go home with a smile on their faces. I love helping them. I love my job. So again, the dentist. My name is Jenny. I am a dentist. I check your teeth. Some patients come to my clinic with very bad toothaches. I help them with their problems. They go home with a smile on their faces. I love helping them. I love my job. Okay. Open your book, page 39, girls, and listen, please. Open your book and listen.
Challenge time. Exercise 3. Action game. Can you mime what you do at these times? First group. Are you ready? Let's start.
At 7:15, I jump out of bed. At 12:30, I eat my lunch. At 3:00, I ride my bike home. At 8:45, I jump into bed and dream a lot.
Okay, good.
Okay, girls, your homework in the activity book is page number 107 and 108. Okay, here we will have to match with the clocks. Okay, you have to read and sing this song and match the lines with the clock. Okay, here, listen, please.
38. I can point to and read the What time do you do it? Chant. By myself. 2. Look at the chant on page 88. How many times can you read it in 1 minute?
At 6 o'clock, I jump out of bed and brush my teeth. At 1 o'clock, I finish school and ride the bus home. At 2 o'clock, I eat my lunch and meet my friends. At 10 o'clock, I jump into bed and dream a lot. At 6 o'clock, I jump out of bed.
Okay, here, girls, I need you to rewrite again. What time do you do it? Chant. Change the times and activities and write about your day. Okay, you have to write here about your day. Okay, this is the end of my lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.